Easy-made nachos by French Sheep Menu. Here are the ingredients: nacho chips, ground beef, salt, black pepper, tomatoes, regular cheese, liquid seasoning, white onion, and cheese whiz. First, let's make the ground beef mixture. Preheat the pan, then add the chopped onion. Add the ground beef, season it with salt and ground pepper. Add the liquid seasoning, then add the grated cheese while cooking it in the pan. I use this kind of container, but you can use anything that you want. Put a wax paper in a container, then add the nacho chips. Add your ground beef mixture, add the chopped onion, and add the chopped tomato. Drizzle desired amount of cheese whiz, then add some more grated cheese on top. You can also drizzle some mayonnaise if you want. For your business, you can do this. Put nacho chips on a wax paper. Add the ground beef mixture, add the chopped onion, add the chopped tomato, add some grated cheese, and drizzle the cheese whiz. Here's the easy-made nachos by French Sheep Menu. Thank you for watching!